is sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, different from conventional fossil fuels? Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide into the air. Burning SAF also releases carbon dioxide. Fossil fuels come from decomposing plants and animals buried in the Earth's crust hundreds of millions of years ago. When they're burned, the carbon that was stored underground is released into the air. SAF uses CO2 captured from the atmosphere, either through technology-based solutions or CO2-absorbing materials known as feedstocks. Both the feedstocks used to produce SAF and SAF production must respect internationally recognized sustainability criteria and standards set out by experts. These are verified by independent certification bodies. Certification makes sure that feedstocks do not compete with food or water resources. Producing, processing, and distributing sustainable aviation fuel must also contribute to economic growth wherever it's made. Find out more about our SAF journey at airbus.com.